We're in الدرس السابع عشر, lesson 17 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. And in this drill 5, Tamreen Khamsa, we are looking at a number of phrases that we're going to transform into sentences using min al. Remember that you can also add a modifier, kana min al or laysa min al, as well, in order to form your sentence. In the example here, we have محاولة الحرب قبل الاعتقال, trying to escape before capture. This was turned into the sentence من الواضح أنه حاول الحرب قبل اعتقاله. It is clear that he tried escaping before his capture. So here you can add a number of words here. The pronoun huwa, annahu, right? So you can add words that will make it make sense. Remember to look on pages 126 and 127 of your book in order to see the list of phrases that will give this meaning of min al, such as it is easy to, min al-sahal an, or min al-yasir an, etc. Okay, so I'm going to go through the Arabic here, and that should help you construct your sentences. Number one, دفاع الإنسان عن حريته, the human defending his freedom. Number two, شروق الشمس من جهة الشرق, the rising of the sun from the east. ثلاثة, كتابة الوصية قبل الموت, writing the will, or writing one's will before death. السفر بعد ارتكاب الجريمة, traveling after committing crime. عدد الدارسين 5, عدد الدارسين آخذ في الازدياد, the number of students is starting to increase. 6, التدخين مضر بالصحة, smoking is harmful to health. 7, الحرية لا تعني مضايقة الآخرين, freedom doesn't mean imposing or constricting others. 8, نسيان الكتاب في الحديقة, forgetting the book in the garden. 9, السماح باستيراد السيارات بسبب الازدحام, permitting the import of cars because of congestion. 10, سرقة المحل وقت الغارة, so stealing from the store at the time of an attack. 11, الشفاء بعد العلاج الصحيح, healing after correct treatment. And 12, توقف المحرك بسبب عطل فني, the stopping of the engine because of a technical malfunction. So hopefully that will help you with the words and the context so that you can create sentences using min al. مع السلامة.